don't even get the neck no more. Fell in love with that body now. Die live like every day. Want a nigga to try me now.
So today I will try green onions. This is the green onions. You're very used to be eat this kind of leaves or baby onions, or you may call it scallions. This thing is very popular wherever in the parties, in the dinner, in the lunch, McDonald's. Everywhere it can be eaten as salad. Spice also is very spicy, is sweet. Actual taste of onions is pungent. So both the green and white parts can be eaten. So today I will actually eat the white part, and I will also try the green part too. So this onion gives a burning sensation in your eyes. There may have some water in your eyes when you gonna cut it or eat it. Onions is very popular in Mexican and Chinese dishes. It's almost every dishes they need baby onions or onions. You will find a tons of video about green onions in the YouTube. A lot of recipes you will find. Choose any of them, so you may try special onion baby onions recipe. So today I am taking this Singaras. Singaras is a very popular snacks here in Bangladesh. You will find every city, including some restaurants, some shopping malls. So everywhere there is Singara. It's a good snack. It can meet your hunger. It's very spicy. It's made of flours with some ingredients like onions, green chilies, and it's fried deep fried oil. So today I am taking one of the Singaras. Yeah, it's making a good sound in my mouth because it's crispy. And look at this. Some you can find the ingredients inside the Singaras. So I'm grabbing the baby onions now. One expert said that onions are almost like apple, except the smell. So it's very spicy. It's sweet. I got the pungent taste. Not bitter, not salty. It's a little bit sour. Yeah, just like I'm eating the raw vegetables. Onion is very helpful for your body. It has vitamin K. Helps to digest food very fast. It's grow insulin in your body. It can prevent from cancer. We are in a crisis moments of onion. The price is almost 10 times higher than ever. So hopefully it will be all right very soon.